you in my YouTube channel. So today I give you some another information. More than 6,000 cases in single day. Even Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, two states with large case loads and recent history of the big surge have never crossed that number. The cases number in Andhra Pradesh is now growing at most 9% every day. Tamil Nadu did come close on Wednesday through with over 5,800 new cases, a big jump from the number it had been reporting in recent days. For close to a month, Tamil Nadu had been detecting between 3,500 and 4,800 new cases every day. As a result, the growth rate of the 7-day compounded daily growth rate had fallen below 3%. Wednesday jump could result of data reconciliation and exercise happening in the state. At least that is what to lead to addition of 518 deaths to the state tally on Wednesday. The state said 400 of those were unreported deaths from the previous days that have been discovered due to the ongoing exercise to match and clean up data. Tamil Nadu has recorded the third highest number of coronavirus related deaths in the country after the Maharashtra and Delhi. Maharashtra has registered over 12,500 deaths till now, while the Delhi has had more than 3,700. The overall death toll in the country is close to 40,000 now. Another state that contributed to Wednesday's sharp rise in India's number was Assam, which reported more than 2,600 new cases, which is quite high by its standards. Along with Bihar, Kerala, Assam is one of the fastest growing states outside the top 10. So friends, thank you for today's video. In the next video I will give you some other informations. So thank you friends.